up guys? So just wanted to make a quick little video on hella horns. I have a 2nd gen Speed, if you did not know, but I'm out here working on the car again. So when I did my front mount intercooler install, I did not have a spot for the hella horns anymore because these were originally located down where the intercooler was. Well, since I have the intercooler there, I had to figure out a way to relocate these. So the plan was to originally just drill holes in my custom crash bar, but I wanted to save some time possibly, and I had gotten this in the mail, this WRX hella horn bracket. The timing worked out perfectly because I ordered this from eBay. Now I will put a link down in the description to this specific one that I bought, but I think they sold for like 25 bucks and I offered them like 15 and they accepted the offer. It comes straight from China, so it takes a while to get here. I think mine took like close to 2 months to ship, but I mean, if you can wait, then cool. But if not, I think Perrin makes one that's very, very similar. On the Gen 2 Speed, I don't know about the Gen 1, it has this little bracket here that I believe the stock crash bar hooks up into. So now with the stock crash bar, I don't know if you could do this, possibly. This is more geared towards people who have a front mount, because if you can't mount the horns down there, this is a good spot to mount them. So anyways, this actually bolted up right into the threads on this bracket here, which made it real nice. Then I just had to figure out how I was gonna be able to get the bumper on over the horns, because if you can see, like on a stock bumper, I've already taken some of the shrouds off. There's like a shroud that goes here to open up a little bit more airflow. I took that off for the intercooler. But as you can see, there's like plastic down in here. So yeah, there's all this plastic here along the bumper. Well, there's also this rubber kind of shroud piece. So if you take that off, you'll actually be able to use these end mount points on that WRX bracket and actually mount up the hella horns, and it should fit just fine. You might have to tweak it a little bit to make it fit, but yeah, and it actually looks pretty good. It looks center on the car. So definitely when I get some new ones, I'll paint the red. I don't really like the red. I'll paint it like white or something. I just want to make this quick video that this WRX bracket does work on the Speeds. I've seen other people do it. They make like custom brackets and stuff, but this one off of eBay works just as well. So anyways, just kind of saves you a hassle from having to drill or weld anything. My buddy that welded this up, I could have definitely had him easily like just tack on a little bracket here and here to make it fit, because obviously you have more room down there. And these being higher, you have less room with that, like I said, that rubber piece that was right there. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comment down below. Yeah, more videos to come on this car as I'm doing more and more stuff. I just ordered my tune from Freak Tune, so I'm doing a 91 octane as well as a E85 blend. So I'm really excited to start tuning the car. He already sent me my first base map. I just have a couple parts I got to put on the car for that map. So anyways, that's gonna be it. Take it easy, stay safe, and peace out.